Today we're going to be making a New York style chopped cheese. This is absolutely amazing. Let's get into the recipe. So you want to begin by getting a little bit of oil into your pan. I'm going to drop in a little bit of chopped onion as well as some peppercini peppers. Normally you would use banana peppers, but this is what I had on hand. I'm just going to lightly season it with a little bit of adobo all-purpose seasoning as well as some sazon. You want to go ahead and saute that just for a couple of minutes as we kind of push it off to the side, and we're going to add in our ground beef. This is like a 80-20 ground beef, about 1.5 pounds. Get that into your pan, get it sizzling, and we're gonna season it with that same seasoning, okay? That adobo and that sazon. I definitely eyeballed it. Go ahead and just season it until your ancestors say it is enough. So go ham, go crazy, and you're gonna let this go until it is fully cooked. And once it is, we're gonna kind of mix it up and combine it with the onions and the peppers. And then once we have that good to go, we're then gonna add in that cheese. That is the best part. Let me know down in the comments, have you had yourself a chopped cheese before? This might not be fully authentic. I am not from New York, so chill a little bit in the comments. All right, I'm not perfect here, okay? But this came out so delicious. I'm adding in my American cheese. Go ahead and just mix everything together. You could kind of drain off a little bit of that excess fat that you have in your pan as well. Once we have that taken care of, I'm gonna put that off to the side as we butter up and sear up our hoagie roll. So go ahead and slice that just like we are on the screen. Get a little bit of melted butter into your pan, and we're just gonna get a nice, beautiful sear on this roll right here. Takes nothing but a minute or two. And once we have that taken care of, we're gonna hit it with some mayo, some ketchup, some lettuce, some tomato, and of course you got to get that cheesy ground beef over the top. Wrap it up, slice it down the middle. Oh my goodness, and you are ready to buzz down. When I tell you this right here is some pressure, please believe me, this is so easy to make yet so delicious. And I forgot to mention, yeah, salt and pepper your tomatoes. Don't put no just plain tomatoes on there. Hit it with a little salt and pepper. All right, layer everything on top, roll it up. Oh my goodness, you definitely got to give this one a try. It came out so amazing, and as you can see, this took almost no effort, no time. Perfect little lunch for the family. They're gonna absolutely love this one right here. Serve it with some fries, you know what I'm saying? Keep it simple. Thank you all for watching this one. If you enjoyed, definitely hit me with a like. Comment down below, let me know what you think about today's video. Let me know if you're gonna give this one a try, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Deuces.